Hi friends, it's Liz here. Today I'm going to show you some new items I received from Inlovearts. I'll have coupon codes as well as links to everything I'm showing you in the description box below and on my blog. So the first thing I'm going to show you is these little pockets, really cute with some tags. And I really like the design of the top of the tags where they have that little slit, and then it's also like a nice design on the top. So it comes with the different tags and also the back of the pocket, so you can make the pocket on its own, or you can add that design pocket on top of, any kind of paper that you would like as well. So this was really a nice set. I will be showing you some projects later on in a different video, some other things that I have made. Right now I have about 3 to show you in this video. The next dies that I wanted to show you are these little pocket with the little photo slide. Really cute die, and it is actually quite small as well. And I really like the faux stitching on them. I think it's always a nice touch when they do a little bit of faux stitching on the designs. Another one that I wanted to show you is the cute little cupcake. Now I did end up working with the cupcake, and it is really like just 4 pieces, which is really nice to work with. I did make a little greeting card with it, and as many of you may have seen in my last video, I've started making a lot more greeting cards, and I'm really happy about, just like kind of trying out new processes. So for this first card that I'm going to show you, I used the cupcake and kind of layered it a little bit so that it would have, it would kind of stand out a little bit from the card. I did color in some of the sprinkles on the cupcake there, but I love that you can just make it so many different ways depending on the paper that you use. And of course, if you wanted to just color it in, that would work as well. The next set I worked with is these cute little spring kind of themed boots with the little puddle and all the additional little pieces. So you can see here the boots actually have an outline which is really cute, and when you paper piece all this together, it turns out really nice. So I love how this came out. The flowers and the little greenery, I think it's just perfect. So I thought this was a quick and nice little card to make with that with those little boots. And then the next one I'm working with, or I looked at, is these faux stitched designs. So this one, the difference with this one and the other ones I'm going to show you is this one doesn't cut out the outline of the paper itself. Like you can make a larger paper embossing style with it. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. This one here with the hearts, it actually cuts out the paper exactly to the size of the heart background die, whereas the other one didn't cut out the paper. As you saw, it left edges on the top and bottom. So that's the difference between that one. And then this one here is the one with the little bows. I think it's just adorable. Again, it cuts out the full shape as just as the background die. So here on this card, I used the hearts, as you can see, and you can kind of see the faux stitch of the hearts, which is really lovely. It's a nice background, and it just adds a different layer to the design because of the little stitches of the background board. And I almost forgot to show you 2 more that I received. So these are like little ticket shapes. And you can see it here. You've got the back for it, the center pops out, and then you also get the little stars if you wanted to use those for something else. So I'll be working with that in a future project. Now this one I wasn't very happy with. It is the congratulations, and it doesn't really punch out properly. I think there's something wrong with that die because I tried it many times and it cuts it up into pieces. So it does the CONG first, and then AT, and then everything else is lost. So I think I'll let them know that this die does not seem to be working properly. But that's it for the ones I'm showing you so far. I had so much fun with these projects. I will definitely be showing you some more in the near future. Keep an eye on my Instagram. That's probably where I will be posting the other projects I make with these designs. Let me know what you think. And I know many of you are card makers. From my last video that I shared with you, I was asking how many of you make cards, and I'm so surprised how many of you are card makers. So I'm quite excited about that because it's a learning process for me. I'm just starting to to kind of dabble into card making, and I'm really enjoying it. So as I said before, I will have links to everything I have shown you in the description box below, as well as on my blog. And don't forget to use the coupon code if you wanted to purchase anything that you have seen here. All right, my friends, thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.